Here's the EV report by Inside Edge on Giancarlo Stanton. Now, take a look at his home runs, 18 of them total, 8 on off-speed pitches, 10 on fastballs. In this part of the strike zone, 0 hard hit balls. Just out of the strike zone, 0 hard hit balls, 125 hard hit ball rate. Basically, he's going to handle pitches that are at speed and losing speed, partly because he needs to get extended, but primarily because those pitches are losing effective velocity. Those pitches are at a speed that is easier for him to handle. Let's take a look at the hard hit ball rates. He's got a 300 hard hit ball rate on slider, 286 on changeups, and only 220 on fastball. Now, it is very clear that his focus is at a speed that's a lot closer to these middle speed pitches of changeup, slider, and outside fastballs. When you do the math and you look at the effective velocity of these pitches, outside fastballs are going to end up being in that speed range that it's about 3 miles an hour less than whoever the pitcher is. So if he's facing Verlander at 95, this pitch is going to end up being at 92 middle away. And then if he throws an 86 mile an hour changeup, but it's in an area like this that's gaining a couple miles an hour, we're talking about 92, 88. And if the slider ends up in this area where you can see a home run, or this area which is at speed, if the slider was thrown, you can see that this range is all the way up to 93 miles an hour, which is more like a cut fastball. But when the pitch is on this part of the plate, it's going to end up gaining some speed. So when off-speed pitches are in and fastballs are away, then they start to crisscross over each other. So in other words, the hitter can look for a pitch on the outside part of the plate and be able to handle the off-speed pitches easier. That's his mindset. There's no question about it. And that's why he's going to tend to have his highest exit velocities happen on off-speed pitches.